You are free. You are free to go. Poor man. Oh. I have $1. I have $1. Oh well. Hello, my son. Read the book. Come to the right path. I want to be good. Do not worry. I believe in you. Thank you. You are welcome, my son. Now go. Enjoy your freedom. Nice watch. Nice watch. Be careful. You have a nice watch. Hello. Hello. The fruit is $2. $2 for each one. I cannot decide. Hey, you have to pay. Banana, please. Where is my money? Just a moment. I cannot find my money. Do not drink. Hello. Oh, hello again, my son. I must go. Where's your watch? Where did it go? Hey! Sorry, I'm looking for someone. Hello, my son, how are you? Be good, my son. Come to the right path. You stole my $1. I did not steal your $1. Come back! Oh no! Stop running! Come back! He is too fast. He is too fast. There you are. Hey, get in line. Wait your turn. I was in line first. Oop.
back up. I am first. No, I am. I was standing here. And I was standing right here. Right here. Right here.
Right there.
Right here. Right here. And everyone is gone. Whoa.
Come in. $1, please.
How about a coin toss? You lose.
You stink.
Here is your money.
Hey, come back here.
Sorry, I'm blind in one eye.
Hello, here is your money.
Wake up. $1, please.
I'm sick.
Okay, go lay down.
Thank you, sir.
Come back here. You need to pay. Come on. Oh no, I'm sick. I need to lie down. Get out of here. Do not come back. I said get out.
I have nowhere else to go. I have nowhere else to go.
Go. Go. Get out.
Oh, hello there, officer.
Stay out of trouble. Stop!
Hands up. Do you not have any money? Somebody already took my money. Wait, I remember you. My old friend, it is good to see you. I have an idea. Come here. We can get some money. Will you help me? I will. Come with me. The money is in that house. You go first. Do not push me. I said, do not push me. Ooh. Be quiet. What are you doing? We have to be quiet. Not so hard. Oh, it hurts. It hurts. Be careful. Well, well, well. There's a police officer. Stop. Hello? What are you boys doing? Oh, we are locked out of our house. Could you give me that? Thank you. Good job. It is locked. What are we going to do? It is open. Be quiet. I am scared. Stay calm. What was that sound? You look for the money. Okay. What did you do? Be quiet. Take this and open the piano.
Hello? Yes, I need the police.
You get this one.
Help! Come quick! Burglars!
Burglars, you say?
Yes, please, come quick.
We are coming.
Thank you. Goodbye.
We have a burglary. Let's go. After you, sir. Ralph, my foot! You are too loud. You shh. See, it is open now. Oh no, hide! Stupid basket! Get off! I think there is money in here. It's a freezer, not a safe. I will steal the clock. Any tea? No tea. Maybe I can hide here. Well, not here. The clock is ringing. It's in my pocket. Oh, it's my foot. What are you doing? Get to work. Fill this basket. flowers? We need money. There's a woman coming! There is a woman coming. We are caught. We are caught. Sorry, lady.
Please be quiet. My mother upstairs is sick.
Come with me.
Please, I do not have any money. You seem like good men. Please, can I make you some dinner? Come with me to the kitchen. Here, sit down.
I want some dinner. Let's sit.
Please, sit down, gentlemen. Please, pull up some chairs and sit. Come on. Here is some for you. You do not want some?
No, thank you. I changed my mind. That ring is worth money. She lied to us. You're done already? I will be right back. I can do it alone.
You are a good man. You do not have to steal. Do not be sad. I can help you. You do not need this. Come to the right path.
Well, sorry, I need to go. Thank you for the food and drink. I think she's hiding something upstairs.
No, please, do not go upstairs. My mother is very sick. Please. The shock of seeing you could kill her.
Just give up, lady. Do not hit her. Come on. Let's just go. No.
Please, no.
I said do not hit her. Do you really think she's lying? Yes, she is. Well, then I can go upstairs. No, I can go upstairs. No, you stay here. Shut up. Ouch, my hand, it hurts. What happened? Where did they go? Help! Help! Let's go, boys. Oh, he shot me! He shot me in the butt! There are two of them inside. They attacked me! Well, oh, my butt. It hurts. It hurts. My butt. It hurts. It hurts.
Finally, come with me. He is in the kitchen.
They're coming for me. Oh, they're coming for me. Good night. You are under arrest for burglary. We got the burglar.
No, you did not. That is my husband.
Oh, wow, we are very sorry, sir. How else can we help you? Yes, does anyone have a light? Oh. Thank you, officer. Okay, boys, time to go. Thank you, officers. I think the burglar ran away. Have a nice day, gentlemen. Thank you. Thank you. Goodbye. Did you forget about me? Oh, he saw my face. Open this door right now. Thank you for all your help.
Wait, I have something for you. Here, $1 for you.
Thank you so much.
I am coming in.
Your things are in the bag. I cannot take them from you.
You are a good man. I wish you good luck.
What a nice lady. Freedom. Freedom.
There you are. Come back here.
This is not over.